said that youth is wasted on the young could well have said the same thing about summer camp. But that is changing. Each year, thousands of adults are packing their bags and heading for the hills. Some to rekindle the lost campfires of their youth. Others for summer camps that speak to their adult infatuations.
Nice. Come on, come on. Anywhere for his toy.
Welcome to Camp Gone to the Dogs, a week's worth of talking dog.
Yeah, you're such a good boy.
Running dog.
Go, 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 go.
Instructing dog.
We teach Introduction to Doggy Paddle.
Leapers. And sleepers. Not to mention an enticing and provocative selection of chew toys.
The people who come to a dog camp are not your average dog person.
Honey Loring is head human at Camp Gone to the Dogs, now in its 5th year of roughing it at the Putney School in Putney, Vermont.
Oh, about 10 years ago, I decided to go out on my own, leave my cushy job at the mental hospital. Don't you find it remarkably clean around here?
Santa.
We started off with 23,000 poop bags. We're taking care of things.
Come on, Candy. Tire.
180 human campers and 250 dogs from as far away as California. $700 gets you 6 days of training and lectures.
Most of us cannot quit jobs to be home with our dogs all day. If we could, we would, but we can't.
Like this one, entitled The Overly Bonded Human.
If you have a very serious separation anxiety problem, which you may have inherited with the dog.
Oh, here comes Baldy Shark. Here comes Baldy Shark. Bum, 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 bum.
But deep dog enjoyment is the bottom line, and the campers who come back year after year never forget.
I think they know. In fact, when they start coming up the road, they know where they are. They start barking, tails are going like crazy. They love it here. Look at it, it's total dog fun.
After all, what red-blooded American hound can resist a hard-fought game of doggy softball?
The lime ball.
Here is a world made safe for the unregenerate dog man.
I went to a tattoo parlor right here when I was at camp. He sat a little bit. He came in and stayed, then he went back into the car. Not very impressed with it when it was done, but he likes it now.
You and me against the world. Sometimes it feels like you and me against the world. When all the others turn their backs and walk away, you can count on me to stay.
Salute.
A week where dog indulgence reaches delirious heights.
You don't have to be embarrassed. Oh, you're fine. You don't have to be embarrassed either. About how deep into dogs you really are. There's no problem here. Anything you do or say, people get it.
Hello, mother. Hello, father. Here I am at Camp Granada.
For those who prefer their adult summer camp a bit more unadulterated, Club Getaway in Kent, Connecticut, sort of a Club Med in the Berkshires.
Club Getaway really is a true summer camp for adults. My dad went here as a child when it was a children's camp. He loved his years in camp so much that he bought the camp in 1946, and we ran it as a very successful children's camp until the late 70s, when we had the idea it was time to create the first summer camp for grown-ups. So we got rid of the kids, buried the bugle, put in the hot tubs and the bar, and summer camp for grown-ups was invented.
Club Getaway keeps things hopping for those so inclined, but vegging out is held in equally high esteem.
It's beautiful. Lord knows we need it. This is a getaway for my children.
Drink and dance and maybe find a man, single, available.
You can chill out and do nothing. I mean, yeah, look at the scenery. It's beautiful. And you can chill out and do nothing, or you can do a million things.
And you don't have to wear mascara and makeup
Right,
and
exactly.
get dressed. I didn't even bring shoes here.
That's right. And by the way, we come from the New York...
For $240, campers get a weekend of food and sports with a couple of bunkmates thrown in.
It's not the Ritz, but it's fun.
Nicole Davidson of Westboro, Mass. Says there may not be a chocolate mint on your pillow, but at least there's a pillow.
And sheets and beds without springs sticking out of them. It's very nice.
No better place in the world. It's my 18th year up here. And I met my wife as a guest here.
The staff at Club Getaway is actually made up of people from the real world.
I'm an architect in real life with a partner and staff and payroll and stress, and I come here on weekends to get away.
I think people come to Club Getaway on Friday night with a lot of skepticism. What did I get myself into? What is this going to be like? I think by the end of the weekend, they've been in the lake, they've met 1 million people, they're dancing and partying at night. Most people walk over to us and say it was the best weekend they've ever had.